Howdy, I'm Ben with Build. Today I'm going to teach you about how to use a router. So for the router, it's a little bit different because this piece is the spinning piece and it is the cutting piece too. You can adjust the depth by loosening this collar, and then you have this dial that you can use and spin it so you can adjust the cutting depth of your piece. Now be aware there is a little piece right here that's the nut and it is not cutting. But you can see this cutting edge there. That will cut while this nut will not. So going back, you want to set the depth that you need. You're going to lock it in place. And then you have your on and off switch here, which turns it on. Then this dial adjusts the speed at which the machine spins. So today is just going to be a real quick intro, just how to use it. So you're going to set your piece flat on the material that you want to be cutting. I typically like to have the square edge on the workpiece itself. Turn it on. Let it spin up to speed. And then you're cutting. The router is great for when you want to work on thin material and leave a cleaner edge than you would with, say, a skill saw. That's all I have for the router. I'm Ben with Build, and let's go build.